Hey, how you doing? I'm the Don, the godfather of computers, here with this week's security tip number 13. Make these passwords different from everything else. You know you're guilty of it, using the same password for multiple logins. Believe me, I get it. It's a pain in the you-know-what to try to remember all those passwords. And if you're using the same password for multiple sites that don't share sensitive info, like a login to a news feed you like to read, then it might be okay. However, there are several passwords you want to keep unique. They are, at a minimum, your email password. And if you have more than one email account, each should be unique. Online banking portals. If you have more than one bank, it should be unique for each bank. Investment account portals, insurance portals, government portals like Social Security, military, taxes, etc. Vendor portals, like places you buy from for your business. And any place you enter sensitive data, like credit card numbers or personal information. If any site you registered at or bought from gets hacked, and you've used the same password you usually use to register at that site, you can pretty much bet hackers are going to use your email and password to hack into all of your sites. From there, they'll be able to get their grubby little mitts on all kinds of your data. Weak passwords are one of the top ways criminals break into computers, so it's critical today to use strong passwords. So how do you create, manage, and use so many passwords? With a password manager, that's how. There are many options available, but some of the ones I have experience with are LastPass, Dashlane, and Passportal. LastPass and Dashlane have free versions. Passportal is a tool HBB Tech provides as a service for $3.50 per month per user. LastPass and Dashlane cannot be synced across users in a business unless you upgrade to a paid version. Passportal is designed to share business credentials across multiple users with configurable levels of permissions while still providing a secure database for each individual user. If you are using Passportal and an employee leaves your business, they can take their personal side of the database with them, but not the business side. If you are a client of HBB Tech, you can give us authorization to access certain parts of the database, so we don't have to ask you for a password every time we help you with a problem. Or you can decide not to give us access, and we won't be able to see nothing. It's completely up to you. All three will generate strong passwords for you, based on criteria you specify, like the number of characters. And here we recommend a minimum number of 10 characters, upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. These products make it simple to create and manage strong passwords. If you're not sure what to do or what to use, give us a call at 636-542-8653 today, or take your chances with the cyber criminals and the fines, civil suits, reputation damage, and everything else associated with a data breach. That's it for tip number 13. Next week's tip will be, don't just close your browser. Remember, it ain't personal, it's just business. Till next time.